everyone? Welcome back to another video here. Today we're going to focus on removing the front bumper for this QX70S, and a few other videos are going to come from here, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't, give a thumbs up to the video, and stay tuned. Let's jump on in. Alright, so I went ahead and reinstalled those 10mm screws, bolts, whatever, and then popped in these clips. Okay, so 2 on each. Made sure all this lined up. Pop this back in. There's going to be another 10mm screw under here. Okay, and then this is going to pop back in. Same thing on the other side. And then the last phase is going to be to attach a few of the bolts and clips under there, and then this thing will be a wrap in terms of reinstalling that front bumper. And there's again that show and go plate.